Making sense of scientific notation. In this lesson we'll see what scientific notation is and demonstrate how to use a calculator to do calculations in scientific notation. The distance between the Earth and the Sun is 149,600,000 kilometres. The speed of light is over 299 million metres per second. An atom is about 2 billionths of a metre. With these very large or very small numbers, it is easier to read and write them in scientific notation. Any number can be written in scientific notation by expressing it as a number between 1 and less than 10 multiplied by 10 to some power. So for example, 561 can be written as 5.61 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2. We know that 5 times 100 is 500, so that gives us a clue as to what power of 10 we need. 100 is 10 by 10, that is 10 to the power of 2. 0.0015 in scientific notation is 1.5 by 10 to the power of negative 3. We observe that the 1 in 0.0015 is 1,000th. That means we have to divide by 1,000. 1,000 is 10 by 10 by 10, that is 10 to the power of 3. It is negative 3 because we are dividing by that 1,000. In scientific notation, we can easily count the number of significant figures by counting the number of digits in the leading part of the number. So 5.61 has 3 significant figures because it starts with 3 digits. And 1.5 has 2 significant figures. To do this calculation, enter 4.27 and then press the times 10 to the power of x key rather than the multiply by key. We'll enter the power in as 5 and notice that we didn't use brackets to enter that whole number. Then press divide and the second number, 8.231, again the times 10 to the power of x key, and the power is negative 3. Press the negative key and then the 3, and then get your answer by pressing equals. Our answer is written as an ordinary number. The calculator can change that to scientific notation by changing the setup. So we need to press Shift and then Setup. Choose scientific notation, so that's 7, and then tell it how many decimal places. Now, two numbers have 3 and 4 significant figures respectively, so our answer should be the lesser of the two, that is 3 significant figures. So we'll choose 3. And there is our answer now in scientific notation. Now we do need to change our calculator back to ordinary mode, so we have to go through that process in reverse. Press Shift, Setup, and then we'll choose normal, so that's 8. We can choose 1 or 2 there, doesn't matter. And then our answer is back in normal mode.